easy rice noodle chicken soup. Sometimes you just need a simple rice noodle chicken soup to feed the soul. Yes, this is day 3 of my grief series, and we started with sesame oil, handful of sliced carrots, a handful of spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of sliced julienne white onion, 1 ounce of sliced green onion, and we're sauteing all of that together. I'm gonna be real, guys. I'm using leftover diced chicken from the night before with my favorite organic chicken bone broth. Gourmand's organic chicken bone broth is deliciously digestible. It's USDA organic approved, and it's low sodium, so you can season to your taste. If you read the ingredients in the back of the box, you could actually pronounce everything that's on the box, so that's a plus. I've been using Gourmand organic bone broths for a while now, and very appreciative to have them in my pantry for the nights when I am super sensitive and the nights when I just need to feed my soul with this easy rice noodle chicken soup. Itadakimasu.